Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the past few weeks, you guys will have noticed there have been a huge amount of changes coming to both Ipsy and Boxycharm. So today we're going to be talking through a few of those, including the first unboxing of the new Ipsy Refreshments subscription, which is something that we have right here that we're going to go over. So we're going to talk through refreshments, Ipsy in general, some Boxycharm changes, as well as all the things that you need to know moving forward. So if that's something you are interested in, make sure to keep on watching. I do upload every other day, so make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see all about this month's Ipsy Refreshments, how it works, all of the details, plus some new and exciting information coming to Boxycharm and Ipsy in the upcoming year, stay tuned. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to start with the unboxing of the refreshments. So I'm gonna pull up the site so I have all the info in front of me. The way that it works is blink and your bathroom is stocked. Step 1, relax, your refreshments are on the way. We will ensure you are well stocked for your routine with your favorite superstar essentials, and from time to time, we will add some extra everyday items for you at a great value. Step 2, you are in control. Use your hand cream more or face wipes less. Update your recurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before we bill you on the last day of each month. It will ship for free with your Glam bag, so you do have to get it with your Glam bag. Mine did come in the box with my Glam bag Plus, which you will have already seen the unboxing of. It would have went live the other day, so I'll link that up here if you wanted to check out my Glam bag Plus for the month. But they did arrive together, and then you can cancel, skip, etc. at any point. So first, I'm going to pull out the bag is really cute. It's got flowers and butterflies on them. It is pink and it is satin. Ever since the Glam Bag Plus switched to these little drawstring bags, I like them so much more. I find those little bags I can't do anything with, but these, not that I really use them for anything, but I feel like I will use them more. So I do really enjoy those. So what did they send? First, they sent some stickers, tag my refreshments, show us how you get funky. I'm going to set those to the side because stickers aren't really my thing. Then we have the you're invited to a party for one. Blink and your bathroom is restocked. That's everything that I just read to you. Shower with self your praise. Just some cute little things telling you what to do. And then some details on some of the items they have available. Now, I have 2 of these 6 items in my bag, so I'm going to start by walking you guys through the items I don't have. The first is the Velvety Body Cream. Long-lasting, quick-absorbing moisture keeps skin happy and hydrated from head to toe. It is an $11 value, but $9 if you are a member. Then there is the Pearly Body Wash. Luxurious cream body wash lathers generously, cleansing and moisturizing all at once. Also $11 retail value, also a $9 price for members. There's the Pillowy Shave Cream. These 2 items are coming soon. Creates a whipped creamy lather for soft hair and smoother moisturizing shave. Retail value of $8, $6 for members. And they have a razor coming, $7 value with 2 cartridges. Member price of $5. 5 blades and a soothing strip to provide an extra close shave to present bumps and burns. Now, the last 2 items, or actually, I guess the first 2 items, are the ones I have in my bag right here. The first is the Luscious Hand Cream in the scent Citrus Spritz. It is a 2-ounce bottle. Nourish your skin, nails, and cuticles with quick absorbing hydration. It is a $7 value, but $5 for the members. I am going to pop this off and use it. I'm currently finishing up. Actually, you want to know how long I've been using it? Because I never go through hand creams. It is from Kathleen Light's old nail polish brand. Not Light's Lacquer, the other one, Kale Polish. And I loved the Snickerdoodle one, or Almondine. I don't remember exactly what it's called. But it is currently in my bathroom, and that is the hand cream I've used. And that has been out of business for like a year now. So clearly I'm a little bit behind. But we're going to try this out today. You guys know hair care, hand care, cuticle care. Gotta stay hydrated. It does smell really nice. Definitely light and citrusy. I'm not getting a lot of orange. I'm getting more lemon. I know that a lot of times when people say citrus, it's always orangey, and I don't love that. But it's a little like lemon pledgy. Not in a bad way, because it's not like overwhelming. But it does smell quite nice. It does have grapeseed oil. It does have olive oil, fruit oils. So it's definitely oil-based for hydration. But I will say that it doesn't feel greasy. It does say right on the back, Nourishes skin, nails, and cuticle with a quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. Vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and phthalates. So that is always good to know. All in all, I like it. What I will say is I do not go through hand cream enough to where I will have this in my bag every single month because I know I'm not going to use it. But let's move on to the next product. These are the Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes. It is a 30 count. Obviously, I did not pick these items. They were like the sign up and learn about it. So I did. You guys know I am trying to limit the use of single-use wipes. But this one is biodegradable, which means it's much more responsible. Just one biodegradable wipe removes grime and makeup without drying out your skin. No rinsing required. Retails for $8, and it is a $6 value. I am currently using the Clean Skin Club wipes just because I have them. I did get them in PR. They were sent to me. You guys know I do prefer not to use single-use wipes. I like balms and oils that'll melt the makeup off, just because I do find a lot of the wipes, specifically the Neutrogena ones, to be a little harsh, a little astringent, and unfortunately, not great for the environment. But both of these are biodegradable, so if you are looking for a cleansing wipe option that is a little more responsible, those are great ones to pick. Now, I am going to just look this up because it says that it's for the removal of makeup, not for cleansing your skin. These ones up here, these are not makeup removing wipes. These are cleansers in a wipe. So I'm going to open this up, smell it, and see if I can tell. Typically, you guys know the difference between a cleanser and a makeup remover, and if you are not doing both, you really should. A makeup cleanser, if you go in with a toner or a second cleanser after you use a makeup remover, you will notice you still have makeup debris and dirt on your skin. So not great for you. Now, obviously, I have no makeup on my skin today, which is actually preferred because you guys will see if there's any irritation or redness. It actually smells very clean. Again, actually, it smells very similar to those ones. It is very soft feeling. I am going to cleanse my skin. I obviously did wash my face in the shower. A mirror, that's what I'm looking for. But let's see if there's any redness or irritation. Now, you guys know my skin gets red at anything I use. So there's going to be a little bit of surface redness. But if it doesn't go away in the first like 10 seconds, then it's irritated. And right now it does seem like it is calming down, so I don't see any irritation. I am clean shaven, so I'm not dealing with stubble today. You guys know my biggest issue with makeup wipes, face cloths, cotton rounds, all of those, the issue is that whenever I have any facial stubble at all, which I have to shave like 3 times a week, anytime I film, I try to shave. So most often there's some form of stubble. It does shred these, and I'm not having this issue at all. It does not say that it is not good for the eye area, and obviously, when we remove our makeup or we use cleansers like this, we are washing the eye area. So I am going to take it in and around the eyes to see if there's any stinging or irritation. I'm going to take one for the team for you. Nothing. No irritation, no sensitivity, no redness, no burning. Obviously, my eyes look a little bit red right now. But again, that's just because I rubbed them with something. The second that does calm down, you guys will notice there are no issues. So they are super soft. I have those ones in here, so I'm going to put these in my bathroom just so I can work through them. Normally, you guys know I don't like opening more than one of the same item just because they do expire, even wipes. Now, looking at this, I am going to say that from a value standpoint, I think these are great if they're things that you regularly use, like, for example, the razors. I use Dollar Shave Club, so I already have a razor subscription. If these are higher quality and they cost less, I will probably try them out just because I know shipping-wise, my Dollar Shave Club comes at a different time all the time, and if I can get it with my Ipsy, it's just so much more predictable for when I'm going to get it. Definitely something I'm going to think about and consider when all is said and done. As for Boxycharm and Ipsy, now everybody knows the merger was announced and that the two companies are coming together under a larger umbrella. I will link a video up here with all of the details because that video is super thorough and I don't want to go into too much here. But I did see a lot of comments in my most recent Boxycharm videos about how ever since Ipsy bought them, they've gone downhill, or people complaining about Ipsy and Boxycharm merging. It doesn't work that fast. And I think I want a lot of people to just remember that the deal has happened, but we will most likely not see the effects of this merger for weeks, months, maybe even as high as 18 months, because that's what the projected timeline is for all of their going public and all of that. So we really will not see a major change. So any issues you are having are exclusive to the boxes, and I would recommend reaching out to customer service if you do have any issues. I had a subscriber message me that they hadn't gotten their tracking and a whole bunch of things, and they blamed it on Ipsy, and then I explained the situation, and the next morning they got tracking. It's just between COVID, the holidays, shipping delays, there are going to be issues this time of year. Please be mindful, contact customer service. You are a paying customer. You do deserve to reach out if you have a problem, but I think it is best that we do give companies the benefit of the doubt. Shipping is delayed across the board. My Ipsy normally arrives 3 or 4 days earlier than it did this month. So same thing with my Boxycharm boxes. I usually get them on the 4th. I got them on the 7th this month. That's just what happens when it comes, and I'm on PR. So not for Ipsy, for Boxycharm. So for that, even my PR boxes are coming late. It's something that is affecting all of us. And because I do have it, I will be doing a full review and using this on camera, but I've been talking about the January premium spoiler for months. It was an Ofra palette. I showed you guys a different one, but I finally got my hands on the actual palette that is coming in our box. It is the Good to Go box. It is beautiful. So it is all of the lights, which is a 4-color highlighter, which features Rodeo Drive. I believe it's Blissful. I have to look it up to get exactly what's on there. Plus 6 eyeshadows, a bronzer, and a blush. So it's basically a full face palette. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a full demo and application with this bad boy. I'm going to be honest, full disclosure, I'm probably going to do it anyway. But if you want to see me use this in action, I'm probably going to film that later today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you excited to get this palette in your Boxycharm? Do you plan on getting the Refreshments subscription in your Ipsy? Let me know down below. I'm really curious what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!